Hello and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Today we will be reviewing the process of creating our Dimensional Planner checklist, a checklist that lists the nominals and tolerances along with the tolerance label names for each feature. So let's take a look at what we're starting with here. I have two measurement segments and each tolerance has its own tolerance labels. The first segment tolerance names go from 1 to 26. The second segment tolerance names continue from 27 through 30. Now we want to create a DP checklist of just the features in segment 1, so we want 1 through 26. Not only are we going to select the feature tolerances by segment, we can also select specific feature tolerances by using the PPAP switch. If I edit the second measurement, you can see that I have the PPAP switch enabled for all output tolerances, the diameter, and the true position. All of the features in this segment have the PPAP switches on, except for the first feature, tolerance labels 1 and 2, because for whatever reason, we'll say we don't want those in the report. Okay, let's go and create our checklist. Firing up the Excel default screen, we select the DP checklist report type. Then we make sure that the PPAP switch is enabled so that we only get the items with the PPAP marker in the report. Remember, we did not have the PPAP marker enabled for tolerance items 1 and 2, so we don't expect to see them in the report. We hit the Create button, and then we are sent to the Output Program screen to select which segments to output. Of course, we are just selecting the Measure Part segment as we originally planned. Now don't worry about the name being set to none. That is referring to the name of the intermediate CSV file, not the final Excel report. We hit the Output button and it re-prompts us for the CSV name. Just ignore this and select Save. The report has been created. Let's go take a look at it. First, notice that our list only goes to tolerance label 26, which was the last item in the segment that we chose to create the report from. Second, notice that tolerance items 1 and 2 are not in the report because we had their PPAP switches turned off. This concludes the process of generating an Excel Dimensional Planner checklist. Thanks for watching and have a great day.